Hello and welcome everyone, it's Martin here with CryptoGains. Happy Monday, and let's begin this week with taking a look at the weekly outlook for Bitcoin. Of course, raising yields on the treasury bonds remain a key threat to the main cryptocurrency, and it's one of the reasons why we had such a substantial decline, such a substantial correction last week. However, technical indicators remained strong in the sense that the major support areas were maintained and the decline in Bitcoin was withheld to approximately 43,000. Afterwards, we started experiencing new increases in the price that can be seen further on that technical chart in this article. What is interesting to note is that even in this correction, there was a lot of outflows from exchanges suggesting that investors are willing to hold Bitcoin for the long term, and this is a healthy correction rather than the beginning of a bear market. In terms of what's happening, however, analysts at Sentiment indicates that for strong, really major Bitcoin rallies, it's good to have negative correlation with stocks like we had in the end of 2020, and this is not the case. So the current indecisiveness is likely to continue for a while. On the other hand, analysts at Be in Crypto suggest that based on their analysis and wave count, Bitcoin is expected to continue breaking out of its descending wedge and gradually move towards the range of 50,000 to 52,480. So let's take a look at the chart and see what it can tell us about how we can trade all these developments. First of all, in terms of support and resistance level, not a lot of change from the video from Friday, aside from the fact that the first take profit target on the short position was hit. But as we're beginning this week, I'll be waiting for a break above 47,500 before initiating long positions in Bitcoin with a target at 48,900, and then if that level is cleared, we can be rallying up again to 51,500. However, if we break under 45,500, again the initial target on the low side, on the short side, is going to be 44,000. We can see that both lines in the MACD indicator climbed above zero, giving us a little bit more confidence in this recovery, in this bullish trend, in this bullish momentum, and the relative strength index on the 1 hour chart is also healthily above 50. Next, we're moving to Ethereum versus Tether. Once again, in terms of the specific support and resistance levels, the picture remains similar to Friday, with the only difference that now we had a very strong, robust breakout on the 1 hour chart with relative strength index above 70, which is very strong bullish momentum. We had a bullish setup in the MACD lines with both lines above zero, so over 1510 I'll be looking for long positions in Ethereum with a target at 1650. Conversely, if we break under 1,430, I will be looking for short positions with target at 1,300. Also interesting developments with Ripple. Market commentators observe that the current judge, Analisa Torres, is very open-minded, curious to get the truth of the situation and willing to think outside of the box, which is likely to be supportive for Ripple. So let's take a look at the opportunities presented by Ripple. To me, it bottomed near the 0.4 level, and currently we have an opportunity to initiate long positions over 0.42 with target 0.495 with a stop loss at 0.396. We also had a bullish crossover of the MACD lines, and the relative strength index is gradually climbing up higher. This is a longer term trade. As you can see, we're looking at the 4 hour chart. And finally, I would like to share an opportunity in YearnFinance. So YearnFinance on the 4 hour chart broke outside of a descending wedge, which is a bullish breakout. We also had a bullish crossover of the MACD lines, supported by relative strength index climbing over 50. So three factors giving us a confirmation of the bullish momentum. So over 33,000, long positions with target at 39,250 at the top of that wedge formation, and stop loss 30,000, giving us a very favorable risk to reward ratio. As always, keep learning with the video education section on CryptoGains. market insights in StormGain, and remember to join our Crypto Signals Made Easy group for lots of insightful trading ideas and wider market analysis. Thanks for joining me today. Trade wisely and have a good week. Bye bye. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in, and if you liked what you see and you're not already with us, click on the link in the description below and become part of the StormGain community. That way you will never miss another opportunity and you will become a more profitable crypto trader. See you soon.